Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make hard icing. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need powdered sugar, meringue powder, and water. It's crucial to start with clean, grease-free equipment to ensure your icing sets properly. Sifting your powdered sugar is a small but important step that prevents any unwanted lumps, giving you a perfectly smooth consistency right from the start. This foundation is key for a beautiful, firm icing. Now, let's get to mixing for that perfect hard consistency. Begin by combining your meringue powder with water until it's foamy. Then, gradually add your sifted powdered sugar, mixing on low speed until just combined. Increase your mixer speed to medium-high and beat for about 7 to 10 minutes. You're looking for stiff peaks to form, where the icing holds its shape firmly. This indicates it's ready for your decorating needs. Once your hard icing has reached the right consistency, it's time to personalize it with flavor and color. For vibrant hues, use gel food coloring, adding a small amount at a time until you achieve your desired shade. For flavor, incorporate extracts such as vanilla, almond, or lemon. Remember to mix these additions gently, either by hand or on very low speed, to avoid deflating the air you've incorporated. This ensures your icing remains firm and beautiful. With your hard icing ready, it's time for application. Use a piping bag with your preferred tip for precise and detailed decorations. After applying, allow your decorated items to air dry completely for several hours or even overnight to ensure the icing hardens fully. For any leftover icing, store it in an airtight container at room temperature. It can last for up to 2 weeks, ready for your next creative project.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.